Okay, the second thing I want to go over with you is how to animate the text and do other sorts of animation. So there's that, if you saw the last video, there's a honeycomb I added to this. Okay, what you're going to notice is throughout this, Teddy has there's a text animation. There are different sorts of animation that he includes. So if you notice, he's reading this, and as he reads, that jumps out at you. Okay, then we move on to the next slide. So what he's going to do here is highlight the text. And when you narrate it, which I'll teach you how to do when I'm back, you can read the narration as it highlights. There we go. So he got really crafty with this animation here. Okay, I'm done. There's your standard background that he had worked with, and then he added in pictures for all of them. Okay, how to do animations. Okay, you're going to choose this animation option. I highly recommend you turn on the animation pane, because this is going to walk you through all the things he's animated. So on page 1, the audio is the last thing he added. That's the audio that I'm going to teach you how to do next class. Okay. When you're dealing with animation, you have to click on the thing you want to animate. So he clicked on this text box and he chose shapes. Okay, so you have this huge list of animations: fly in, bounce, color pulse, any of these. You're more than welcome to kind of play with them. You can get more effects by choosing entrance, emphasis, or exit pass. Obviously, entrance is things coming in, exit is things going out, and emphasis would be like the highlighting of text or making text disappear, reappear, those sorts of things. So he chose the circle, the shape path for this one, and the shape path for the second one. Okay. So if I move on to the next slide, what did he use? Notice he used something that was a yellow star. That was the pulse. That is how he got the text to pulse. The next one, he used this bolding option. And if you notice, it shows you like how long you want it to last. So you can kind of... I don't know where my keys are. Go look for them. So, you would hit start on click if you want to like click control it, or you could set different timing. Effect options is a great option. So how I did that is I went over here, I clicked the drop down menu, and then I said effect timings. Okay, you can animate by letter, by word, all at once, so you can kind of get a typing sound to go in. Tell when you want it to come in. You can tell how long you want it to go or what would trigger it. This one's also kind of cool. You can also add sounds to the thing as well. So sound if I wanted applause, or a typing noise if you had to come in after every word. Okay, or like typewriter, which gets really annoying after a while, but gives you the idea. Okay, so key things here: choose animation, turn on the pane so you can see the order of how things are coming in, and then use this effect options or these choices on the side. Alright, I hope this helps. Gives you a good idea of what I expect. This right here is an A project. I will teach you how to narrate next time. Use each other as resources. But before the end of class, you should have some animations, transitions, all your text, and almost all your pictures. Alright, that's all.